Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add Stripe payment gateway in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com in your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. To start this formally, click on the gear icon on the settings on the lower left. And then in here, click on Payments. Once you are in Payments under Payments Provider, you can now choose a provider as well. To do this, tap on the button that says Choose a Provider. Wait for the website to load. Once you're here, using the search bar, you can now search for the payment provider. In this case, we'll be using Stripe. It's unavailable in my country, however, in yours it should be. All you have to do is do the following steps, and then you'll be able to find Stripe. Then just tap on it. Now wait for the website to finish loading. In here, to get started with Stripe, just put in your email and then click on Continue. Then just input the following details and everything should be good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.